Hey gang, coming to you from my backyard, but not for long. I'm at the age now where it's time to start clicking off the bucket list, and one of those things is crossing the Atlantic Ocean. Transatlantic, people. So today I'm headed to Portugal. Then I'll jump on a yacht, SeaDream Yacht Club. It's more of a ship than a yacht, but they call it a yacht. But anyway, there's like 50, 60 people on board, and we're going to cross the ocean together. It's like 13 days of solitude. No, Belinda is not coming. It's just not her thing. That's fine. She went on SeaDream like 2 weeks ago, so she's good. Let's cross the ocean. Well, gang, I have made it to Madeira Island, the city of Funchal. That's how you say it, Funchal. Took me a while. It's about a 22-hour journey from LA to get here. The ship is on its way here. It left mainland Portugal about 2 days ago. It's about 300 miles from there to here. This is an island just kind of out in the middle of nowhere, a couple hundred miles off of Portugal. So I will meet them tomorrow. I will board and we will be on our way. My ride. Almost made it home. Now we gotta go to customs. Customs? Is that what we're doing? Oh, okay. It wouldn't let me on. Okay, so came up to the ship and they told me I had to go through customs. We went down to customs and then customs said, no, you gotta go to immigration. So then I sat in a long hallway for about 15 minutes. No one said a word to me. Then all of a sudden they came out and said, you can go. So, home away from home. Here we are. It's about 300 feet. It's got like 5-6 levels. It's more of a ship than a yacht, but they call it a yacht, so. Walk the plank. How many captains does it take to shove off? And we are moving. Bye-bye, Funchal. Very happy to be on my yacht and not on that. It's like 15 stories high. It's huge. We are headed for open seas, and I'm very happy. Well, I have finally made it home for the next 2 weeks. It's where you hang your hat. Bathroom in there, very lovely. I get a water jug with my name on it. How's that? Bedroom boudoir pajamas with my name on them. I mean, if you're gonna go across the ocean, let's do it right, correct? So, a little thing happened. I apparently forgot to pack socks. Like 0 socks. Here's my sock drawer with the 1 pair of socks that I did pack actually were on my feet when I came across over here to Portugal. So, can anyone say flip-flops?
From the moment we held on to things we cannot see, I would cross the sky forever.
On the top deck trying to make my college football picks. It's a little difficult with bad internet in the middle of the ocean. Day 2 and it could not be more beautiful and more calm. Everywhere behind me you see it is calm.
Like a desert in the sun. My heart ain't heavy, it ain't heavy. You can walk and you can run. How I wish you knew my heart ain't heavy, it ain't heavy.
So come lunchtime, I think I'll have lunch right there. like to thank my brethren from the UK for their inventions of fish and chips, because this stuff is great.
Tell me when you've had enough, when all is said and done, you still feel the fascination. You can blame it on my love, I guess my heart is warm, all the freedom you've been chasing.
Hi.
Hi.
How are you?
Very well. How about you?
I'm great. What a beautiful day it is, right?
Beautiful.
Like a desert in the sun, my heart and heavy beating.
As many of you may know, if you know me, I'm a kind of a gin and tonic guy, and I especially love Hendrick's gin. Good stuff. Francisco, one of the barkeeps here, kept making me gin and tonic, and he finally looked at me and said, you know, instead of paying for each drink top shelf, why don't you just buy a bottle? I thought that was brilliant. So I did, bought a bottle. So I just go up to the top of the yacht bar, and there it is, with my name on it, literally. That's kind of the SeaDream way. They take care of you. Good service. Probably can't see my face very well, which is fine because you'd rather see that. So let's just focus on that. Every single night it's like this. Every single night. I'm underneath the staircase because it's really windy out there. But this is kind of what you imagine across the Atlantic would be like. Big, huge waves, cloud cover, it's a blast. Well, I think we've got about 8 to 10 foot waves, I really do. Let's take a look. I'm on the 3rd deck. Woohoo! Whoa, look at that one. But both, this ship is handling it really well. Cutting right through, as you can see. The camera shot's pretty steady because the ship's cutting through it very well.